Hello guys, I am from GoGrass Maths Hub. Today I shall discuss about the process to solve a cubic polynomial. Let a cubic polynomial be in the form of 2x cube plus x square minus 13x plus 6 equal to 0. Then I shall tell you the procedure how to solve this type of a cubic polynomial. Here what we have to do is heat and trial method to take only one value of x so that on putting the value of x in the polynomial the outcome comes out to be 0. X can be only one value, either x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 1 or x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 2 or so on. If you put x equal to 2 in the given polynomial, here you can take any value of x. If you put that value in the given polynomial, the outcome should be 0. Here now I have taken one value x equal to 2. I have put the value of x equal to 2 in the given polynomial here. You can see here the given polynomial is 2x cube plus x square minus 13x plus 6 equal to 0. Here I have put, in place of x I have put here x equal to 2. Here the result will be 2 in bracket x whole to power cube plus here put the value x, here it will become x square minus, here put value x equal to 2, it will become minus 13 into 2 plus 6. So here 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 will come, here 2 multiply to 8, it will become 16, here it will become 2 to the 4, 4 will come, here 13 to the 26 will come, here plus 16. If you do like this, 8 to the 16 plus 4 minus 26 plus 6. 16 plus 4 plus 6 comes out to be 26 minus 26 equal to 0. This means that if I have put x equal to 2 in the given polynomial, the result or outcome of the polynomial is 0. That's why x minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. So now I have written here the original polynomial like this, 2x cube plus x square minus 13x plus 6 equal to 0. What you have to do in this case? It has come to be known that x minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. So now you have to put x minus 2 here. After that, take first term here, you can see first term itself is 2x cube. Now match the things here, here x is there. So by which factor, by which term, by which value we are going to multiply to x, so I have to get 2x cube. Here I have multiplied 2x square. When 2x square will multiply to x, it comes out to 2x cube. What about second term? Second term, here it will comes out, if bracket will be broken. The second term will be minus 4x square. Minus 4x square will be there. The opposite things I have written plus 4x square. So that minus 4x square plus 4x square plus 4x square will be cancelled out. Therefore, there will be no effect in the original polynomial. Here same value from this place plus x square minus 13x plus 6 I have written same, repeat the same thing here. Now what will do, imply that 2x square in bracket x minus 2, add this one like term 4x square plus x square are like term. both will be added together. Result will be 5x square minus 13x plus x equal to 0. Now repeat the same as previous one. Imply that 2x square in bracket x minus 2. Now think over this one, the term 5x square. Now fix x minus 2 as a factor here. X minus 2 I have fixed here. Now get the things matched together. So here you have to get 5x square plus 5x square. So by which value you will multiply 2x in order to get plus 5x square. If I multiply here plus 5x to x, I shall easily get plus 5x square. Now second term multiply minus 2 to plus 5x, it will come out to minus 10x. So here you add plus 10x, so that minus 10x here will be added to plus x plus 10x, the outcome will be 0. So that things will be matched together. After that write the same thing, minus 13x plus 6 I have written here. Now repeat the same thing as previous one. 2x square in bracket x minus 2 plus 5x x minus 2. Here process simplify the things here. Here plus 10x minus 13x is there. On processing we will get minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Imply that 2x square in bracket x minus 2 plus 5x in bracket x minus 2. Take here minus 3 as a common, we will get inside the bracket x minus 2, bracket close equal to 0. Now here you can say x minus 2 is there, x minus 2 is there, x minus 2 is there. Take x minus 2 as a common. In another bracket it will be there 2x square plus 5x minus 3 will be there. Now imply that this you know 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is a quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So just I have written here the same thing, 2x square plus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. How this quadratic equation is solved? What we have to do? Take the value, take the coefficient of x square. Here you can see the coefficient of x square is plus 2. Write down here plus 2. Here constant value is minus 3. Write down here minus 3. Both value will be multiplied together, comes out to minus 6. Here we write plus 5. The coefficient of x is plus 5. Write down here plus 5. Here equal to sign is there. Now make 4 boxes there. First you know the rule. The same digit with sign, whatever the digit with sign comes there, the same digit with sign will be reflected here also. The same digit with sign also comes out here. You can see here plus 6 is there, here plus 6 will come, here minus 1 is there, here minus 1 will be there. Here multiplication sign is fixed here, but here plus, either plus or minus will come, depends on the condition given here, plus 5. Now if you multiply plus 6 into minus 1, result outcome will be minus 6. Now same value 5 plus 6 has written, minus 1 have written. Now add the thing. If you add plus 6 plus minus 1, you will get plus 5. Now things is going to be here. Write down here original quadratic equation, 2x square plus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Here repeat the same thing, 2x square. Now here you can see plus 5x is in the middle. So here I have applied middle term splitting method. So now plus 5x will be splitted as plus 6x plus minus 1x. Here I have written plus 6x minus x minus 3 equal to 0. Now here you can take common to x. If you take common here to x, in bracket it will come x plus 3. Here take minus 1 as common, in bracket it will come x plus 3 equal to 0. Imply that Here you can see x plus 3, x plus 3 is there. Write down here x plus 3. In another bucket it will come out to 2x minus 1. Write here 2x minus 1. Now here I have solved quadratic equation this one as the factors x plus 3, another bucket 2x minus 1. So now repeat here, get the things here. X minus 2. In another bucket I am solving this quadratic equation, comes out from there you can see x plus 3. In another x minus 1 is equal to 0. This will be the factorization of this cubic polynomial. Okay guys, I shall meet you tomorrow. Thanks.